I rushed over here and the concrete truck is not even here. So we had to go get some plastic in case it rains. We were able to cover it up and save the concrete. The forecast didn't show that it was supposed to be raining. Well, it did. It was 20% in the morning, but then now it's 80% at 3. It's 2:46. So we'll see what happens. Gonna go. Before we left, it was all cloudy, and now it's pretty sunny. It's now 7:38. It's pretty dry, but we are going to cover it because we're expecting a storm. But it looks good. Real good. So this is what I'm gonna do. Just gonna walk through the joint and then we're gonna cover it. That way it cures on time and doesn't get messed up with the storm we have coming up. Doesn't even seem like we're getting something here now. But on the other side of town, it's pouring and it's coming. We got done just in time. We got done just in time, so let's get home now.